FANUC 14-inch color CRTs, years past their life, show brightness decay, color shift and flicker. For a retrofit, confirm the model first. Check the nameplate, A61L-0001-0074. Native interface, 20-pin Honda signal, DC 24-volt power. The KTV148 LCD module, 14.1-inch industrial TFT, 800 by 600, wide angle, wide voltage. In-place replacement, 30 to 40 minutes. Reuse original screws and cables, no rewiring, no parameter changes. Compare, brightness doubled, colors from 16 to 262,000, power down 70%, life over 50,000 hours. Compatible with FANUC 0i, 0i Mate, 16i, 18i and 21i series. CRT to LCD retrofit, a clean technical upgrade.